25th, 1961. America is waiting for the arrival in Washington of the Prime Minister of the Federation of Nigeria, Alhaji Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa.
Abubakar Tafawa Balewa was born in December 1912 in Bauchi State, where his father, Yakubu Danzala, was of Gere ethnicity, and his mother, Fatima Ina, was half Gere, half Fulani. He began his education at a Quranic school in Bauchi and then went on to Katsina College. Balewa completed his 5-year education in 1933 and returned to Bauchi to teach at Bauchi Middle School. He taught at the school and rose to become the school headmaster in 1941. Balewa was elected Vice President of Northern People's Congress (NPC) and subsequently resigned his post as headmaster of Bauchi Middle School in 1951. Under the Macpherson Constitution of 1951, Balewa was among those nominated in Lagos to become a minister. Balewa entered the government in 1952 as Minister of Works and later served as Minister of Transport. In 1957, he was elected Chief Minister, forming a coalition government between the Northern People's Congress (NPC) and National Council of Nigeria and Cameroon's (NCNC), led by Nnamdi Azikiwe. He retained the post as Prime Minister when Nigeria gained independence in 1960 and was re-elected in 1964. Between 1960 and 1963, he was also Foreign Minister.
I wish to make our position plain beyond any matter of doubt as regards the African continent. We in Nigeria appreciate the advantages which is the size of our country and of its population give us, but we have absolutely no aggressive intentions. We shall never impose ourselves upon any other country and shall treat every African territory, big or small, as our equal, because we honestly feel that it is only on that basis of equality that peace can be maintained in our continent.
Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa was also the first Prime Minister of Nigeria before and after Nigerian independence from Great Britain in 1960. In January 1960, he was knighted by Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II as a Knight Commander of the Order of the British Empire. He was awarded an honorary doctorate from the University of Sheffield in May 1960. He was also awarded an honorary doctorate of law from the New York University in July 1961. Balewa was married to 4 women who bore him 19 children. He was described as modest and self-efficacious. His many official decisions while in the office were taken at the farm where he vacationed when he wanted to relax. He was overthrown in a military coup in January 15, 1966, as were many other leaders, including his old companion Ahmadu Bello. The circumstances of his death still remain unresolved. At his death, his major assets included his house in Bauchi and a 50-acre farm. Today, his portrait adorns the 5 naira note. The Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University, founded in 1980 in Bauchi, is named in his honor. Without doubt, Nigeria's history will be totally incomplete without mentioning such a great man as Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa.
We hear the world crying out for peace. We may receive the inspiration to deal with these intractable problems and be able really to devote all our resources to the advancement of mankind by applying those eternal truths which will inevitably persist long after we ourselves are utterly forgotten. Thank you, Mr. President.
Aywa jamenu se kodo.
Aywa jamenu se kodo.
Aywa jamenu se kodo.
Aywa jamenu se kodo.
Du se kodo kodo tat.
Aywa jamenu se kodo.
Mojane bonane kodo tat.
Aywa jamenu se kodo.
Mojane Nane bo nane kor kho tat.